Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I solve the determine if two strings are close problem on Leetcode. If you like this kind of video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. It's going to help me a lot. Let's get to the question. So, two strings are considered close if you can attain one from the other using the following operations. Operation 1. Swap any two existing characters. For example, we can swap B and E here. And operation 2. Transform every occurrence of one existing character into another existing character. And do the same with the other character. So from this example, it's just swap A and B. So if A has 3 A's, now we have 3B instead, and 2B changed to 2A's. You can use the operations on either string as many times as necessary. So given two strings word 1 and word 2, return true if word 1 and word 2 are close and false otherwise. Okay, so when I first looked at this question, I actually don't know how I'm gonna do it. Do I need to simulate, like find the way to actually do it to make the string equal? But if we look closer to the operations, it's actually simpler. We know that we need to have exact same set of characters, right, for the two words. Otherwise, you cannot do these two operations and get the same words. So if, let's say, if you have A, B, C, and then B, C, D here, you cannot change it to the other one because you don't have the required characters. Because what you can do is you can just exchange or swap the characters, or changing the frequency of one, swap the frequency of one with another characters. So first, what we need to do is we need to check if all actually the length is the simplest one that we need to check, but let's skip that one. And then we need to check if we have all the required characters. Like all the characters in word 1 is actually the same as the all characters in the word 2. And then if we have the same numbers of characters and the exact same set of characters in both words, now we need to know about frequencies. So look at this example. You have 3 A's, you have 2 B, and 1 C. So the frequency is 1, 2, and 3. You cannot change that, right? So, but you can change the characters to be different frequencies. So this word have 1 C, 2 A, and 3 B. And then if you do the operation 2, you can swap things, and then it's going to end up with the correct frequencies. So given this 2, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the length. I'm going to check the set character set, and then I'm going to check frequencies. If all are checked, we know that we can return true because it's considered close. Otherwise, we return false. Let's look at the code. It might help better understand how this works. So first, like I said, I check word 1 and word 2 length. If it's not equal, we just return false. Then in this to for loop, what I did here is we get the letter, and then we just assign frequency to basically gather the frequency of each character. So you can use map as well, but I just use normal object because Javascript. But you can also use map. So I did the same thing for word 1 and word 2. Now what I have is in word 1, W1 here, I have the key value pairs of the characters and the frequency, same as W2. So if I want to check the characters, I can do, I get the keys, and I just too lazy to do things. I just sort the key because I know the keys will be at most 26 characters, right? So this actually sort this is all 1 because it's the maximum is the constant. So you can just sort it, enjoy it, and if it's not the same, we don't have the same set of characters, we return false. Easy, right? Then using the keys that we get from here, do the for loop. I'm pushing the frequency of each characters into this array v1 and v2. I should actually name it f1 and f2 anyway. What I'm doing here is I'm just pushing it so we know the frequencies. So keep track of frequency because we want to compare to both. And then we're gonna have at most 26 frequency. So it's gonna be 1 again because we know it's gonna be maximum 26. And then I did the same thing for the easy comparison. Basically just sort it and then join with the comma. I did a join with empty string here because I know that we don't have like AA as a character, right? So it's kind of unique, but I need to do it here because frequency could be 111. So we cannot do that. We need to put some separator in here. So I just sort it and join and compare to v2 sort and join. If it's the same, we have the same frequency for both words. So it's true, otherwise it's false. Very simple. I feel that this is a kind of trick question a little bit. So let's try submitting it. Yeah, I got 81.9%, not the best one that 100%, but I think I could improve things, right? In terms of like doing this one could be, you could also use array of 26 lane, right? Or something I might not need to sort. It might be a better way to do this kind of stuff, but this is simple enough and it's easy to understand. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.